Jordan. Ooh. Nice.
Nice.
What do you think? You having fun?
Yeah, this is so fun.
Oh, there we go. What are you having there, buddy?
Cheeseburger.
You having a cheeseburger? Because it's a rainy day. Sitting in the dugout. We're having a go. Oh, there you go. You want to hold me? All right, come on. Rachel and I have gone out to the track. We went to the track.
I'm gonna come. Yeah, I have to.
She's helping me get my steps, but it started to rain.
It just here's my toy.
And I think we're gonna have to go back, right? We're gonna have to go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll see you later.
All right, we'll see you later.
No!
What do you mean no? Go ahead, you run that way. Go ahead, run. Look at this kid. Come on, girl.
Dancing on the rain.
She's dancing in the rain. Go that way, go to the car.
No! I don't want to go.
Well, we can't stay out here in the rain, girl. We can't stay in the rain, Rachel.
Try to get me, Mom.
Try to get you? Go. Not that way. Go this way.
Try to get me over there.
You want to hold me?
Again.
It's been a miserable start to the summer so far.
Yeah.
It's been rainy and cold every day, right?
Yeah. I'm getting so wet.
We're getting rained on here. Rachel, feet are getting
Whoa!
wet. And I got a screamer over here. The girl is a screamer.
Oh!
Screaming baby. Storm cloud cometh.
Yeah.
Ah, and you're heavy, girl. All right, go ahead.
I'm
Go ahead.
steaming.
She likes that tractor over there. This is a beautiful track that we come to, home of the Falcons. There's the track down there. We go around. My girl here is loving this tractor. Don't get hurt. It runs like a deer, guys. Look at it. Yeah, it's got one seat.
And see, you like to go to the truck.
You like that tractor, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Come on down.
Bye.
Bye, tractor.
Will you come next time?
Yeah, we'll come next time. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Get out of the rain. See you next time, guys. Keep push and play. Say keep push and play. Say keep push and play. You silly goose. All right.
TV.